Checkout time. We're not ready to leave ATL. I don't have no room. We're not ready to leave Atlanta. We have to. It's been good. Thank you, Atlanta. It is 7:33. Just returned our little weekend, baby. Did us so well. See ya, Audi. It's all unnecessary to be here so early. All this COVID and stuff going on.
It was like different.
Whoa. Look at this. It looks so like a movie or something.
Ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, good morning again. Gonna be 1 hour, 4 minutes en route. We're next for departure. Flight 10, please be safe for takeoff.
My seats are bright, my belt is fastened. Miles up high, the clouds I'm passing. Can help but wonder what I'm leaving. Can help but ask what I believe in. This turbulence is making me nervous. This distance, do I deserve this? I'd rather die than say goodbye. Who will catch me if I cannot fly? Cause when I'm up this side, it all makes sense. I'm looking down the road of consequence. And when I try to fly, I see I can. From where I stand, no longer the broken man.
Thank you very much for joining us on our flight back to Orlando today. We'll be on the ground shortly.
I'm all it'll be right into place. It's luggage time, but I got nothing. I left all my baggage behind. A change of scene, my conscience is clean. I've got no more need to rewind. The coast is clear, I have no fear, even from this high above. You hold my hand, now I let go. All I ever wanted was love. Cause when I'm up this side, it all makes sense. I'm looking down the road of consequence. And when I try to fly, I see I can. From where I stand, no longer the broken man. And that's not all. I'm not scared of landing, because when I fall, it'll be right into place. An empty picture frame, it's just not the same. I'm standing on the corner in the middle of this rain, where I'd wait for you, but you never said my name, leaving my heart stranded. I come up empty-handed, so I board this plane.
Of your entire Philadelphia-based cabin crew, I'm Joe Bob the Badger. It's our pleasure to welcome you to Orlando, Florida, where the local time is approximately noon.
Back home. Almost anyway.
The airline and
That's where Deja wants to go. So we've been up and down 3 different times looking for this lift.
I'm going. Yeah, because 3 is I'm paying myself for 2.
Not too bad. How about yourself?
I'm good, thank you.
Had a good flight?
It was.
Look at them jumping up and down, acting silly. Got y'all mess.
Hey! Hey! One day gonna get.
When I'm up this side, it all makes sense. I'd enter place.